Alright, so this question here, it says find all the real solutions in this equation here. It gives you 2 minus x squared raised to some power is equal to 1. Now you probably have said blows and skirt, that looks hard, don't it? What are we going to do this question? Let's analyze. Now what do we know about any number, right? Any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1, though? So the first possibility is if the power is 0. So case 1, when the power equals 0, right? As I just showed you, any number to 0, no matter what the number is, I get 1. So in this power here, so x squared minus 3 root 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. That's going to give us some solution for x. So come check it out now. See here now. We just need to solve this. This is a quadratic. I'm going to use a quadratic formula. So x is equal to minus b 3 root 2 plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c divided by 2 times a, which is 2. So that is x. Now come on, man. Let's go ahead. To simplify this, x will be 3 root 2 squared. Root 2 is 2. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. So that's 3 root 2 plus or minus the square root of, this is going to be 18 minus 16 over 2. So x is going to be 3 root 2 plus or minus root 2 over 2. So just to continue now, so there are two possibilities. X is either 3 root 2 minus root 2 over 2, or x is equal to, with the plus now, 3 root 2 plus root 2 over 2. So, all that is telling me then, from case 1, we can clearly see that what we're getting, just to bring it right here, let's finish it off here. From case 1, we're seeing that x would be, that's going to be 3 root 2 minus root 2 is 2 root 2. This is 2 root 2 over 2. Or x is equal to, let's just finish off that. 2 root 2 over 2 is just root 2. Or the next answer is here, so 3 root 2 plus root 2 is 4 root 2 over 2, which is 2 root 2. So get two possible answers. Now, when is another time a number can equal 1? We look at the case where the power is 0. Now, 1 to any number, 1 to 50, 1 to 20, 1 to 1000, all of them equal 1. So the next case to consider, case 2. Case 2 is now when the base is 1. Case 2 is when the base equal 1. So in that case, we solve 2 minus x squared equal 1. We can bring over 1 over, bring over x over here to get 2 is equal to x squared plus 1. Bring over the 2 over here to get x squared minus 1 equals 0. Did I do that right? X squared carry over the 2, 1 minus 2 is 0 yet. Factorize x, 1 and 1, minus and plus. That's the difference of 2 squared. So x equal 1, x equal minus 1. So all the solutions of when that is equal to 1 is Those are all the answers. X equal 1, x equal minus 1, x equal root 2, and x equal 2 root 2. When you do them question, you tell them, nice.